Audrey. Today I want to tell you about my daily life on weekdays. So, on weekdays, I wake up early because I have to get ready for college. However, my wake up time is not always the same, it depends on my class schedule. If I have morning class, I wake up earlier, but if my class starts in the afternoon, I can sleep a little longer. So, after waking up, I don't get out of bed immediately. I need a few minutes to fully wake up, and during this time, I usually check my phone. I scroll through social media and reply to message. Once I feel awake enough, I get up and grab the clothes I prepared the night before. Before taking a shower, I have a habit of playing with my dogs for a while. Every morning, my dog greets me excitedly. I pet its head and play with it for a few minutes, or just sit beside it before continuing with my morning routine. After that, I finally take a shower. As a girl, I take quite a long time to get ready. After showering, I get dressed, fix my hair, and make sure I look good before leaving for campus. Once I'm ready, I book a Grab ride to get to the public transportation stop I usually use. During this ride, I usually listen to music or just enjoy the journey. To get to campus, I have to travel for about 1 to 1.5 hours depending on traffic conditions. When I arrive at campus, I go straight to class and attend my scheduled class. During class, I try to stay focused, take important notes, and sometimes discuss things with my classmates if there's something I don't understand. After class, there's usually a break before the next one. I spend this free time playing on my phone, joking around with my boyfriend, or eating together. Besides eating, I also spend time talking with my friends at campus. We joke around, share stories, or discuss various things like assignments and other topics. After a few hours, I prepare for my next class. My last class usually finish in the late afternoon. Once it's over, my boyfriend and I get ready to go home. The trip home takes about the same amount of time as going to campus, around 1 to 1.5 hours. During the ride home, I usually listen to music again, watch videos on my phone, or sometimes sleep if I feel tired. Once I arrive home, I play with my dog. After that, I usually relax on sofa, playing on my phone, reading the news, or watching short videos on social media. After that, if I feel hungry, I eat dinner. After eating, I clean up a bit, such as washing the dishes and tidying up anything that looks messy. Then I take a shower to refresh myself after a full day of activities. Before sleeping, I prepare the clothes I will wear the next day. If I have assignment, I finish them first, but if I don't have any, I spend my night talking and joking over the phone with my boyfriend. This is one of my favorite moments of the day because I can relax and share stories before finally falling asleep. I think that's all about my daily life on weekdays. Thank you so much.